Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are doing a reading comprehension. The name of the story is Ducks in Water. The name of the story is Ducks in Water. But first, let's review. A sentence is a group of words that form a complete idea. A sentence begins with a capital letter and finishes with a full stop. And the sentence has a subject and a verb. Did everybody remember that correctly? Awesome! Now let's get to reading. Look at the worksheet and follow along. Ducks in the water. Ducks like to be in water. They can swim fast. They play games in the water. They find food there too. Ducks eat little bugs and fish. They pull plants out of the water to eat. Ducks have big orange feet. The feet are good for pushing the water. Their feet make ducks good swimmers. Ducks' feet are not so good for walking and running. Their feet are not good for climbing. Sometimes ducks must come out of the water. They cannot walk as well as they can swim. Ducks must take care on land. If ducks are not careful on land, a fox may catch them. Why do you think a fox likes to catch a duck? Great job, everybody. So practice reading one more time on your own. And then you need a blue pen and a red pen. With the blue pen, make a circle around the subject of each sentence. Attenzione, fare un cerchio intorno al soggetto di ogni frase. It can be a noun or a pronoun. Può essere un nome o un pronome. A noun is a person, place, or thing. And remember, in English, animals are things. With the red pen, make a circle around the verb of each sentence, the action of each sentence. Put pause now in the video and go make some circles. Then, when you are finished, check your work. Let's see what the answers are. And here we are, boys and girls. All the ducks are circled blue. The subject is at the beginning of a sentence. Ricordatevi, il soggetto lo trovate sempre all'inizio della frase. Può essere una parola, per esempio ducks, oppure they, the pronoun. Possono essere due parole, the feet, their feet. Quindi il soggetto può essere una o due parole e può essere un nome o un pronome. So a noun or a pronoun. Now let's go circle in red the verbs. Alright, boys and girls, and here are our verbs. Qui abbiamo I verbi. Every sentence has a verb. Ogni singola frase ha un verbo, come ogni singola frase ha un soggetto. A verb is usually one or two words. Spesso il verbo è una o due parole. Su quelle con le due parole non vi preoccupate adesso, ne parleremo in futuro. So do not worry about the verbs with two words. Make sure, though, you know the meaning of all the other words. Assicuratevi però che conoscete il significato degli altri verbi. Ad esempio, like. What does like mean? What does play mean? What does eat, have, pull, find mean? This is very important. Now when you finish, that's it for today. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterfly.